Good morning students, I hope you all are well. We are continuing with exercise 6E. We are doing question number 2. We have done question number 1 and now we are doing question number 2, which is on page number 114. It is given if a plus 1 upon a is equals to 6, you have to find out a cube plus 1 upon a cube. The value of a cube plus 1 upon a cube. So definitely if a cube is given to you, so you will apply formula. Plus sign is given to you, you will apply plus formula of cube. A plus b cube is equals to a cube plus 3 square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now I will write, this is given to you, a plus 1 upon a is equals to 6. I will write by taking cube on both sides. So I will cube this also and I will cube this also. And now since I have a plus 1 upon a whole cube, so I will apply formula of a plus 1 upon a whole cube over here. Like this. In this manner, a cube plus 3, according to the formula 3 is given, so I will write 3, then a square. A is over here a only, so I will write a square. Instead of b it is given 1 upon a, so I will write 1 upon a plus 3, then a is given to you, b square, 1 upon a is given in place of b, so 1 upon a square plus 1 upon a cube as given b cube. Okay, is equals to 216. You will multiply 6 3 times. So 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6, it gives you 216. Now you will first solve these brackets. So square is given to you. This is given 1 upon a. It means it is like this, a square upon a. So if I can reduce this a from this square. Okay. So I will write square and a is cancelled over here. And then likewise this square and this a is cancelled over here. Okay, so now I will see what is left. I will open the bracket, a cube plus 3a is left because 1 upon a is cancelled. Only a is left, only square is cancelled, so a is left. Plus 3, 1s are 3 and in denominator I have a. Okay, plus 1 upon a cube is equals to 216. I will write as it is. Now from this I will take common. From this I will take common a cube plus 3a plus 3a. So how to factorize it or to take a common, what I will do, I can see 3 is given over here as well, 3 is given over here as well. So I will take 3 as a common. A is left over here because 3 I have taken outside the bracket, so only a is left in this term. Plus sign will come here, 3 I have taken out, so what is left? Instead of 3 I will write 1 upon a. Common means that this 3, when you multiply, when you open the bracket, it will give you the same thing. So if I multiply 3 with a, I will get 3a, same term, plus if I multiply 3 with 1 upon a, I will get 3 1s are 3 and upon a, so it is giving me the same thing. Okay, plus 1 upon a cube is equals to 216. Now I will arrange the terms. By arranging the terms, I get a cube plus 1 upon a cube plus 3a plus 1 upon a is equals to 216. Okay, now if I look at it, a plus 1 upon a is already given to me in question, which is equal to 6. So I will replace a plus 1 upon a with the value. A cube plus 1 upon a cube is equal, plus 3, and instead of a plus 1 upon a, I will write 6, which is given in the question. Okay, in the next step, I will solve this bracket. A cube plus 1 upon a cube plus 3 6 gives me 18. 18 is equals to 216. Now I will shift this after equal to. Here it is given in plus, so after equal to, if I will take it, it will become minus. So I will get of a cube plus 1 upon a cube is equals to 198, and this is your answer, and that's what I had to find out, which I have solved. I hope this is clear, very simple and very easy. In the next part, they had given in question number 3, they had given c minus 1 upon c is equals to 3. Find c cube minus 1 upon c cube. I am not doing this part. You will do in the same manner this part as I have done. A part you will do question number 2 you will do question number 3 yourself, but just be careful that it is minus. So you will apply cube formula of minus. It means a minus b whole cube. Okay, just write down the minus formula and do it in the same manner as I have done this question. You will not make any changes in it. Okay, and if still it is not clear to you, then feel free to contact me and I will explain it to you. Now I am doing next question.